The U.S. and German leaders discussed global food security in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine and ways of addressing the challenge posed by China, the White House said in a statement. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz has said that the summit's key aim is to send the message that Western sanctions on Russia are not to blame for spiraling food prices that are causing growing hunger in the global south.
And we gotta make sure we have this, us all staying together. You know, we're gonna continue working on the economic challenges we face. But I think we can get through all this.
Yeah.
And come out stronger.
And the good message is that we all made it to stay united, which obviously Putin never expected.
The European Union gave a cautious response to plans by fellow G7 members to ban imports of Russian gold and said it needed more certainty before signing up to a U.S. initiative to cap the price of Russian oil. European Council President Charles Michel was cautious about a plan from Britain, United States, Japan, and Canada to ban imports of newly mined or refined Russian gold.
What we have decided, and on gold we are ready to go more into the details and to look if it's possible to target gold in a manner that would target Russian economy and not in a manner that would target ourselves. This is our common purpose, our common goal. On food security, we don't need speeches. We need actions. We need to decide. We need measures. And we have a clear vision about what are the different scopes that we need to develop together with our partners and friends in the framework of the G7. First of all, it's important to make everything which is possible in order to unblock the Black Sea. This is a top priority.
The three-day G7 summit in southern Germany intended to show the G7 leaders' united response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine.